firstly I was very hesitant to whether to go or not, but my hairline was so declining and I've lost that confidence in me. And you can see the results. Don't think, just trust on new roots. You can come here, you gain your confidence, you gain your new hairs, and life will be cool.
Hello Nanesh, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Great. So today you've come here for your second PRP, right? So I would request you to tell the people about your entire journey with New Roots. When was your surgery done, and how were the follow-ups, and whatever, what you felt good about New Roots.
Okay, so this is my second PRP, and I've done my journey in the first week of July. And firstly, I was very hesitant to whether to go or not, but my hairline was so declining and I've lost that confidence in me, and I gave it a try. In the first week of July I had my treatment. Initial days I was very scared, all the treatments and everything, but she guided me in every step. She told me what time I should take it, she guided me properly, and you can see the results. Now people don't believe me that I have done some transplant, but I'm very happy with the results, and regular follow-ups are happening, and I'm very happy now.
Are you happy with the hairline given to you?
I'm very happy. As I told you, that no one is believing me that I've done this hair plant.
Okay, so are you going to refer us?
Obviously, I will post this on my Facebook and all social media pages.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So the entire journey with New Roots was pleasant, you mean to say, right?
Very pleasant.
Okay. So guys, you can see the growth. See, he's come for his second PRP today, and this would be his second PRP plus. This is 5 months results. See the density. See, if you can see it very closely, see the density and see the growth. I mean, in 5 months, the results are outstanding. So, anything else you would like to join, Nanesh?
I would just like to tell everyone that don't think, just trust on new roots. You can come here, you gain your confidence, you gain your new hairs, and life will be cool.
Thank you, Nanesh. Thank you very much.